Hello viewers, I'm that your friend Reverend Father Michael Obudu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about farming. Today, as you can see, I'm in my poultry farm, and this is my birds are just week 9. Week 9, we still have about 9 weeks more from now for them to start laying. Though it's a very tough journey, but if you persevere to the end, you certainly you are going to smile. You as a youth, what are you doing? Are you just sitting down there complaining? And after the protest, what else? You can see our government, they have no plan for us. Instead of them to start thinking on how to resolve the situation, so many of them, and we heard now, our leaders, they're going to buy new jets, and some of them are already budgeting for their personal upkeep and their break. So as a youth, just think of what to do. The situation is very tough, and the situation is so bad that you just have to do something. Do something with your time, do something with your little resources you are having. Like what you can see now here in my farm, I'm into layer bed production. These beds are just 9 weeks old. From 9 weeks from now, we'll be having some returns. But at the beginning, it can be very tough. Nothing good comes easy. That is life, and that is exactly what we are doing. I continue to encourage you also. So thank you very much for finding out time to listen to me and to look at what I'm doing. I remain that your friend, Father Michael Obudu. Thank you and God bless you.